Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's math class. Today's session we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Children, last class we learned about different types of algebraic expressions like based on terms like monomial, binomial, trinomial, and also we learned what are the like terms, unlike terms, what is constant, variable, what is factors, coefficient. Hope it is clear to you people, and based on that knowledge we will continue the remaining part, and today's session it is about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. See here, adding and subtracting is possible only for like terms. Only for like terms we can apply these two operations called like addition and subtraction. So already we learned in previous class what is mean by like terms. Here the like terms are nothing but, see, let me take two terms better, 2a square comma minus 4a square. Two or more than two terms are said to be like terms when they have same variable and same power. Yes, now here you can see better, these two terms are maintaining same variable a and same power 2. Yes, now these both the terms are called like terms. Let me repeat once. Two or more than two terms are said to be like terms when they have same variable and same power. So both are called like terms. Once if they are like terms, we can apply these two operations, addition and subtraction. See better here, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression possible between like terms only. Only for like terms we are going to apply these two operations. So to add or subtract two or more algebraic expressions, we connect the different groups of like terms and add or subtract the coefficients of the like terms in each group. From this we can say one single statement better, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression is possible only for like terms. From the algebraic expression we need to pick up the like terms groups, write together and simplify those like terms, mean simplify only their coefficients. Let's see one example. Suppose if I have an algebraic expression like 4x square minus 2x plus 2x square minus 2y plus 7x. It is one algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Now in this algebraic expression, to simplify this algebraic expression, first we have to write the like term groups. We need to write the groups of like terms. Identify the like terms from the collection and write together. Sir, here these two are like terms. Same variable x, same power 2. These two are the terms having same variables x, same power 2. So both are called like terms. Write together, it is one group of like terms. Next step, we simplify these two. More like terms here. So here we have x power 1 term. Even here also we have x power 1 term. Same variable x, same power 1. Both are called like terms. This is also one group of like terms. Write those two together. Minus 2x plus 7x. And the remaining is minus 2y. There is no y term here. So write it as this. Now simplify these groups of like terms. See what here, we need to simplify only the coefficients of like terms. What is the coefficient of x square? 4. Coefficient of x square? 2. Here the coefficients of like terms are 4, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Then this variable term will write as this, x power 2. Again simplify the coefficients. Minus 2 plus 7 plus 5. Variable term will write as it is, minus 2y. Is there like terms more? X power 2 term, x term, y term. Sir, all they are different, unlike terms. No same variables, no same powers. Same variables are there, but no same powers. So all they are unlike terms. Unlike terms we can't simplify. We can simplify only like terms. How we can simplify the like terms better? By writing the groups of like terms together. By writing the groups of like terms together. Write the groups of like terms together. Then simplify their coefficients. Plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. Variable term is as it is. Again here also these both are groups of like terms. Simplify their coefficients. Minus 2 plus 7 plus 5x minus 2y. So that is the way we can simplify. Yes children, we discussed just now addition and subtraction is possible only between like terms. From the expression we need to catch the like terms, make the groups of like terms, and we need to simplify their coefficients. Now based on that we will see one problem over here, which is from exercise 12.2. First bit you can see here. Simplify the combining like terms. Here they gave algebraic expression and we need to combine the like terms. Question they are asking, combine the like terms and simplify. If addition possible, do addition. If subtraction possible, do subtraction. And you people know that these both are possible when the terms are like terms. It means when those two terms are containing same variables and same powers, then they are called like terms. So once if they are like terms, addition, subtraction, these two operations are possible. Now from this we need to combine the like terms. We need to make groups of like terms and we simplify their coefficients. Now see better here like terms are there. X power 2 y term is there x power 2 y term. Yes, these both are like terms. You can see here now. Same variables xy, xy, same powers x power 2, x power 2. Y if there is no power 1 better. Y to the power of 1, even here also y to the power of 1. So both are like terms. More any x power 2 y term, x power 2 y, there is no like terms. So these two are one group of like terms. Let me write both together. 5x square y plus 3y x square. Both are like terms. Having same variables xy, xy, x power 2, x power 2, y power 1, y power 1. So this is the way we can combine the like terms. X power 2, yes, here you can see x power 2 term, even here also they have x power 2 term. So both are same variables x, same power 2. So combine those two like terms, again write together 5x square plus x square. Now these two are like terms. Next beta y x square completed here, minus 3y square, sorry here, minus 3y square, minus y square, minus 3y square. Even this also are like term group. Write together. Minus 3y square, minus y square, minus 3y square. The reason same variables y and same power 2, same variables and same powers called like terms. More any terms left better. Only this one term left and there is no like term for this. So write it as it is. 8x y square. Now these both like terms we need to simplify. How can I simplify the like terms? Just we can simplify their coefficients. 5 plus 3 which gives 8 and same it is variable term is same x power 2y. X power 2 if there is no coefficient 1 better. Here x power 2 coefficient minus 5. So once if the like terms we will write together and we will simplify their coefficients. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 x square. Even this also, if there is no coefficient, 1 better. See same variables and same powers, like terms. Simplify their coefficients. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. Yes, minus 7 y square. And the last one is plus 8x y square. Now see but any like terms? No sir, all they are different. There is no same variable, same powers. So they are called unlike terms. So now this is the final answer. Now let's see one more. Here they give some bracket beta. Just we can open the bracket. If it is bracket, before if any symbol is there, multiply with that before symbol and open. Here we have a bracket, before there is no symbol. So you can open the bracket. 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Even here also we have a bracket, but we can't open it directly like this. Because this bracket before minus symbol, it means this minus we need to apply all the terms which are there inside the bracket. It means multiply minus with first term, then multiply minus with second term, then multiply minus with third term. Means inside the bracket whatever the terms are there, all those terms multiplied with this minus. Here no symbol plus, but bracket means into minus into plus, minus 8y. Now minus into minus plus y square. Now minus into minus plus 4. Now if any like terms are there, write together and simplify them. Sir, here 3y power 2, here y power 2. Both are like terms. Same variable y, same power 2. Same variables and same power. Write together. Here you can see y term and y term. So both are like terms. Plus 5y minus 8y. Same variable y, same power 1. These two are group of like terms. Groups of like terms. More better. Sir, minus 4 plus 4. Even the constants also called like terms. Simplify their coefficients. So after making the groups of like terms, simplify their coefficients. Y power 2. If there is no coefficient, 1 better. 3, 1. Coefficients we need to simplify better. 3 plus 1, 4. 4y square. Now here you can see better plus 5 minus 8. Both are like terms, simplify their coefficients. Minus 5, sorry, plus 5 minus 8, minus 3. And the variable term is as it is. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Note of that. Yes, the final answer is 4y square minus 3y. Can we simplify this further? No, they are unlike terms. Unlike terms, we can't subtract and we can't simplify even. Yes, children, I said addition possible only for like terms. Here we will see some problems based on the addition concept. When we can add the terms, when two or more than two terms are like terms, just you can make the groups of like terms and simplify their coefficients. Only for like terms we can apply this operation called addition. Let's see here one example, third one over here. Yes, let me go with third solution. Minus 7mm plus 5, one algebraic expression. 12mm plus 2, second algebraic expression. 9m minus 8, third expression. Minus 2mn minus 3, fourth expression. We have four algebraic expressions. All these four algebraic expressions we need to add. So let's write the first algebraic expression, which is minus 7mn plus 5. Write in brackets. First expression, addition, I mean plus. Second expression, next plus. Third expression, plus. Fourth expression, minus 2mn minus 3. Hope it is clear. We have four expressions. I wrote with plus symbol. They are asking to do addition of it. First expression plus, second plus, third plus, fourth. Now we need to open the bracket. Bracket before, if any symbol is there, multiply with that symbol each and every term, then open the bracket. Here bracket before, no symbol. So directly we can open the bracket. We can write minus 7mn plus 5. Now here this plus we need to multiply each and every term inside the bracket. Here no symbol, plus beta. Plus into plus, plus 12mn. Next plus multiply for second term also. Plus into plus, plus 2. Now do the same thing here. Plus multiply for first term, plus into plus, plus 9m. Plus into minus, minus 8. Plus into minus, minus 2mn. Again multiply second term beta, plus into minus, minus 3. Now make a groups of like terms. Here we can see mn term, even here also you can see mn term. All these three terms are containing same variables mn and their powers are 1, 1, 1, and even n power also 1, 1, 1. So all they are having same variables and same powers called like terms. Make the group of those like terms. I mean write together minus 7mn plus 12mn and minus 2mn. More any like terms here? Sir, more we have variable term is only one, sir, which is plus 9m. Which is plus 9m. So all these are one group of like terms. So more we have one variable term which is 9m. That's all. And any constants plus 5 plus 2 minus 3 minus 8. Plus 5 plus 2 minus 8 minus 3. Even all these also called like terms. Now we'll simplify the like terms. How can we simplify better? We simplify only the coefficients. we can simplify only the coefficients. -7 plus 12 minus 2. All the three are like terms. We need to simplify their coefficients. See, but here -7 minus 2 together gives us -9 plus 12. So -9 plus 12 how much? 3 plus 3 it is. Okay, na? So we can write here plus 3. Variable term is as it is mn, and this will be only 1 plus 9m. Now simplify the constant beta. 5 plus 2 plus 7. Sir, -8 minus 3 minus 11. More we need to simplify the like these constants. 3mn plus 9m plus minus different symbol beta subtraction. 11 7 subtraction 4. Then big number before symbol. So that is the way you can add the expressions. How? By combining like terms together and simplify their coefficients. Now let's see one more here. Fifth bit we have. Fifth bit here, one expression, second expression, third expression. They gave three expressions asking to do addition. We'll do same like previous beta. First expression 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13. First expression plus second expression which is 18x minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy. First expression plus second expression plus third expression which is 4xy. Now we'll open the bracket. If bracket before any symbol is there, we multiply with that symbol. Here there is no symbol, so directly open the bracket beta. So we can write 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13. Now inside the bracket we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. All those 4 terms multiply with plus beta. Plus into plus, plus 18x. Plus into second term symbol minus 7x. Plus into minus, minus 10y. Plus into plus, plus 8xy. And plus into plus 4xy. Now we need to make a groups of like terms. Here we have x term beta. And more any x terms here? Yes, here we have x term. That's all. So here also we have x term beta. Sorry. Now combine all those x terms together. All the x terms together. Okay, doctor? Yes. Now we combine all the like terms together. 14x plus 18x minus 7x. It is one group of like terms. Next we can see y terms. Here y term. Even here I can see y term. That's all. Plus 10y and minus 10y. Groups of like terms. And more we can see xy term. Yes. Here I can see xy term. More any xy terms. Here xy term I can see. Even I can see xy term. Simplify better here. Minus 12xy plus 8xy plus 4xy. Now more any leftover terms. Only one term is left constant, which is minus 13. So write that minus 13 here. All these are like terms. Now simplify the coefficients better. Plus 14 plus 18. 20, 28 plus 4, 32. 32 minus 7, 25. Yes. Here we can see 25x. If you are unable to do, you can simplify the coefficients. Let me go your number, you can see here now. Plus 14 plus 18 minus 7 better. See 14 plus 18, 20, 28 plus 4, 32. 32 minus 7 how much better? 25. And variable term is as it is. Now simplify the second group. Plus 10y minus 10y. Plus 10 minus 10, 0. So no need of this. Next you can see but here. Minus 12xy plus 8xy plus 4xy. We'll simplify this both. Minus 12xy. First let me simplify this two. 8xy plus 4xy better. 12xy. And the constant term only one, which is minus 13. See here we have three terms are there. 2 I am simplifying better. When I simplify these two, sorry, minus 12xy I wrote as it is. This both by adding 8xy plus 4xy, 2xy. Next to minus 12 plus 12, 0. So we can write here 25x minus 30. Hope it is clear to everyone. When addition is possible, better? Sir, addition possible only for like terms. Just you can make the groups of like terms and simplify their coefficients. Yes, children, let's see one example based on subtraction of algebraic expression. Even subtraction of expressions is also possible for like terms. Same story. Make a group of like terms and simplify their coefficients. Here you can see better third bit from exercise 12.2. Subtract 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. See, they are asking subtract the first expression from the second expression. You can see here better. From second expression, ask you to subtract first expression. Subtract first expression from second expression. So from this, we need to subtract the first expression. Yes, you can see better solution. From 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Yes, from this algebraic expression we need to subtract. From the second algebraic expression, subtract the first algebraic expression and don't forget to keep in bracket. But because this minus symbol is applicable for all the terms of this expression. If you not keep the bracket, that minus will take only first term now, so it is wrong. Most of the students will do the mistake here. So when you are subtracting the expressions, second expression minus, before going to write the first expression, keep the bracket. Minus after, start the bracket always. Now inside the bracket, you should write the first expression, which is 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. Now this minus, we need to multiply each and every term inside the bracket. If you not write the bracket, that minus will take only for first term, then complete wrong it is. Because not first term, all the terms we need to subtract. So don't forget to keep the bracket after the minus symbol. Now here bracket before no symbol, so directly we can open the bracket better. 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. So here to open the bracket here before we have minus symbol. So multiply minus symbol with first term symbol here plus minus into plus minus 5a square. Now multiply minus with second term symbol minus into minus plus 7ab. Similarly multiply minus with third term minus into plus minus 5b square. Now we are free from the brackets. Now make groups of like terms. Here ab term, more any ab term, here ab term. Yes, same variables ab, a power 1, a power 1, b power 1, b power 1. So both are like terms. So we will make a group of those two like terms, 3ab plus 7ab. It is the group of like terms. More better, a power 2 term and we can see a power 2 term. So write together minus 2a square minus 5a square. So these both are like terms. Next, b power 2 terms better here, 2b power 2. Both are same variables b, same power 2. So like terms. Write them together minus 2b square minus 5b square. What you did better? Just made a groups of like terms. Now we'll simplify their coefficients. Plus 3 plus 7, 10 and variable term is as it is. Minus 2 minus 5, minus 7 and variable term is as it is. Minus 2 minus 5, minus 7 b square. Hope it is clear. That is the way you can subtract.